Lily, you look a bit distracted today. Is everything okay?
Hey, Sam. Yeah, everything is fine. I'm just thinking about my upcoming trip.
Oh, right. You mentioned you were traveling soon. When is your trip exactly?
Next Friday. It's getting closer, and honestly, I have mixed feelings.
Mixed feelings. What do you mean?
I'm excited because it's my first international trip, but at the same time, I feel nervous.
That's completely normal. I felt the same way before my first trip abroad.
Really? What were you nervous about?
Many things, actually. Airport procedures, speaking English, missing my flight, everything.
Exactly. That's how I feel right now, especially about speaking English with strangers.
I understand. When we learn English in books, it feels different from using it in real life.
Yes, in real life, people talk fast, and sometimes I don't understand immediately.
True, but most people are patient, especially airport staff and hotel employees.
I hope so. I keep thinking, what if I say something wrong?
Saying something wrong is okay. Communication is more important than perfect grammar.
That makes sense. Where did you go on your first international trip?
I went to Thailand for a short vacation.
Wow, that sounds fun. Did English help you there?
Definitely. Even simple English helped me a lot. Asking for directions, ordering food, checking into the hotel.
That's encouraging. I'm going to Singapore, by the way.
That's a great choice, especially for a first trip.
Yes, I heard it's clean, safe, and English is widely spoken.
Exactly. That's why many first-time travelers choose Singapore.
Sam, how did you prepare before your trip?
I made a checklist: passport, tickets, hotel booking, insurance, and important English phrases.
English phrases? Like what?
Simple ones like, "Excuse me, can you help me?" or "Where's the check-in counter?"
Oh, those are simple. I actually know those sentences.
See? You're already prepared.
Maybe I'm just overthinking.
Most of us do. Traveling is outside our comfort zone.
That's true. But I also feel this trip will help me grow.
Absolutely. Traveling changes the way you think and communicate.
I want to become more confident, especially in English.
This trip will definitely help with that.
I've already booked my flight and hotel.
That's great. Have you checked your passport validity?
Yes, it's valid for the next 5 years.
Perfect. One less thing to worry about.
Sam, do you think I should practice English daily before the trip?
Yes, even 10 to 15 minutes a day makes a big difference.
I can listen to podcasts like this one.
Exactly. Listening helps your brain get used to natural English.
Talking to you makes me feel calmer.
I'm glad. Remember, the goal is to enjoy the journey.
You're right. I want to enjoy, not stress.
And if something goes wrong, you'll handle it.
Yes, I think I will.
You're more capable than you think, Lily.
Thanks, Sam. That really means a lot.
Anytime. Sam, Lily, are you ready? The taxi will be here in 5 minutes.
Yes, I think so. But honestly, I'm checking my bag again and again.
That's very normal. What are you checking this time?
My passport, wallet, phone charger. I'm scared of forgetting something.
I understand. Before my first trip, I checked my bag at least 10 times.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Trust me, once you reach the airport, things slowly fall into place.
I hope so. Okay, let's go.
All right, we're on the way to the airport now. How are you feeling?
A little nervous, but also excited. My mind is full of thoughts.
That's part of the experience. Airports can feel overwhelming at first.
Yes, they're so big and crowded.
True, but everything is well organized.
I see many signs everywhere.
Exactly. Just follow the signs for international departures.
Okay, I can do that.
We've entered the terminal. First step, check-in.
The lines look long.
Don't worry. We arrived early, remember?
Yes, that was a good idea.
While waiting, just observe how others talk to the staff.
That helps. I'm listening to their English.
You'll notice it's simple and polite.
Yes, they speak clearly.
Now it's your turn.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please? Good morning. Yes, here you are. Do you have any bags to check in? Yes, I have one suitcase. Please place it on the weighing belt. Okay.
You're doing great.
Thank you. I feel more confident now. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is printed here. Thank you very much.
See? That was smooth.
Yes, much easier than I expected.
Next is security check.
I've heard security can be stressful.
It can be, but just follow instructions.
Security officer, please remove your laptop and liquids. Okay?
Take your time. No one's rushing you.
All right, done. Security officer, you may proceed.
That's it?
Yes, security is done.
Wow, one more fear gone.
Exactly. Step by step, your confidence is growing.
I can feel it.
Now we just wait for boarding.
I feel proud of myself already.
You should. This is a big step.
Thanks for being with me, Sam.
Always. Sam, Lily, we finally boarded the plane. How do you feel right now?
Honestly, I feel a mix of emotions. I'm excited, but my heart is beating fast.
That's very normal, especially on a long international flight.
Yes, this is the longest flight I've ever taken.
Long flights can feel strange at first, but you'll slowly get used to it.
I hope so. The cabin feels quiet and busy at the same time.
That's a good way to describe it. Everyone is settling in.
Sam, how do you stay calm during flights?
Experience helps, but I also remind myself that flying is very safe.
That thought helps. I try to breathe slowly.
That's a good technique. Deep breathing really works.
The seat feels comfortable, but I'm not sure how to adjust it.
There's a small button on the side. Press it gently.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
No problem. Did you check the screen in front of you?
Yes, there are movies, music, and even games.
Exactly. It helps pass the time.
Sam, do you usually talk to strangers on flights?
Sometimes, if the person seems friendly, but it's okay to stay quiet too.
I think I'll just listen and observe this time.
That's perfectly fine.
The flight attendant is coming. Hello, would you like water or juice? Water, please.
I'll have juice, thank you.
You're welcome. They speak so politely.
Yes, airline English is usually very clear and calm.
That makes it easier to understand.
Do you remember when you were scared of speaking English?
Yes, and now I've already spoken to staff twice.
Exactly. Progress happens naturally.
The plane is taking off now.
Just look outside if you want.
Wow, the city looks so small from here.
That moment always feels special.
It feels like leaving worries behind.
Traveling has that effect.
Sam, what do you usually do after meals on flights?
I usually watch a movie or try to sleep.
I think I'll listen to music and relax.
That's a good plan.
I'm starting to feel calmer.
That's great. Your body and mind are adjusting.
Thank you for guiding me through this.
You're doing everything yourself, Lily,
Yes, I guess I am.
and you're doing it well.
This trip already feels meaningful.
And there's more to come. Sam, Lily, we finally landed. How does it feel to finally arrive?
It feels unreal, Sam. I can't believe I actually did it.
You did more than just travel. You faced your fears.
Yes, a few hours ago, I was so nervous.
And now you're standing confidently in a new country.
That feels empowering.
Let's move toward immigration. Keep your documents ready.
Okay, I'm holding my passport and arrival card.
Good. Just answer honestly and clearly.
I'll do my best.
Immigration officer. Passport, please.
Here you go.
Immigration officer. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism.
Immigration officer. How long will you stay?
For 6 days.
Immigration officer. Where will you be staying?
At a hotel in the city center.
Immigration officer. All right. Welcome to Singapore.
Thank you.
See? That was smooth.
Yes, I understood every question.
That's progress.
I feel proud of myself.
You should. Let's collect our luggage.
I was worried about this part too.
Most people are, but it usually goes fine.
There it is, my suitcase.
Great. No issues so far.
Now, how do we reach the hotel?
Let's take a taxi. It'll be more comfortable after the long flight.
Agreed.
Hello, could you take us to this hotel, please?
Sure, it will take about 30 minutes. Thank you.
Look outside. Everything feels new, right?
Yes, and exciting.
We've reached the hotel.
Hello, we have a reservation.
Receptionist, may I have your names, please?
Sam and Lily.
Receptionist, here are your room keys. Breakfast is included.
That's wonderful, thank you.
The room looks comfortable.
Yes, I finally feel relaxed.
Take a deep breath. You're here.
Sam, this trip changed something in me.
How so?
I realized I can handle things on my own, even in English.
That's the biggest lesson of travel.
I'm no longer afraid of speaking.
Confidence comes from experience,
I'm grateful for this journey.
and this is just the beginning.
Yes, many more journeys to come.